What is up? Welcome to this video. In this episode, we are going to understand Python generators, which are memory efficient iteration. So generators are a special Python function that return an iterator which produces values on demand. Unlike regular functions, generators maintain their local state between calls using the yield statement to pause execution and return values. So their key advantage is memory efficiency. Instead of creating entire collections in memory, they generate values only when needed, making them ideal for processing large on infinite data sets. So what are practical applications of generators? So common generator use cases include processing of large files, where we read and process multi-gigabyte log files line by line without loading the entire file into memory. And then we can also use it for web scraping, where we extract data from websites while gracefully handling unpredictable data volumes and maintaining low memory footprints. And then also we have data pipelines, where we create efficient ETL processes by transforming data incrementally rather than all at once. So here's a simple generator function example that you can try out in your VS Code. Do let us know how it went for you, and if you have any issues, do let us know how it went, what issues, and we will assist you. Thank you for watching this video.